Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, I'm going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to send bulk voicemail and SMS using Gohighlevel. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay notified about future videos. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a voicemail drop in Gohighlevel. Why use voicemail drops? Voicemail drops are a powerful tool if you have a large contact list and want to send promotions or updates about new deals without calling each customer individually. They allow you to send pre-recorded messages to your audience in bulk. Voicemail drops are highly effective, with open rates as high as 70%, making them a fantastic way to boost conversions. Step 1. Create an automation. To begin, go to the Automations tab in Gohighlevel. Once it loads, click the plus button and select Create a Workflow. Choose the option to start from scratch. Step 2. Name your workflow. Give your workflow a clear and descriptive name, like voicemail drop. A helpful tip is to include the current date in the name so it's easy to track. Step 3. Add a trigger. Triggers are events that start your workflow. For this example, we will use the tag added trigger. Here's how. First, go to the Filters section and select Tag Added. Next, create a new tag, such as voicemail drop. This tag will be used to activate the workflow when added to a contact. Finally, save the trigger. Now, whenever you add the voicemail drop tag to a contact, this workflow will begin. Step 4. Add the voicemail action. The next step is to add the voicemail action to your workflow. Here's what to do. Search for the voicemail action in the list of options. Upload your voicemail file. You can record this message using your smartphone and save it as an audio file. Once the file is uploaded, preview it to make sure it sounds perfect, then save this action. Step 5. Add an SMS follow-up. To increase engagement, follow the voicemail with a text message. Here's how to do it. Add an SMS action to your workflow. Personalize the message using a custom value like the contact's first name. For example, "Oh, hi. First name, it's been a while since we've heard from you. Here's an exclusive offer just for you." Save the action once you're happy with the text. Step 6. Finalize and publish the workflow. Remember to save your work as you go. To activate the workflow, change the status from draft to publish. Click Save. Your workflow is now live. Step 7. Add tags to contacts. To apply the voicemail drop tag, go to the Contacts section. Follow these steps. Select the contacts you want to include in this workflow. Click Add a tag and choose the tag you created earlier. Add a short description if needed, then save. If you are working with a large contact list, it might take a little time to process. You can check the progress in the system. Once it's complete, the contacts will automatically be enrolled in the workflow, and the voicemail drop, followed by the text message, will be sent. Conclusion: that's how you create a voicemail drop in Gohighlevel. It's a simple and effective way to reach your audience and drive results. Don't forget to explore additional features like enrollment history and execution logs to track your campaign's success. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.